Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 and channel.
Hello. I am a robot designed to assist you with your tasks and answer your questions. My programming allows me to quickly process information and provide helpful responses. Please let me know how I can be of assistance.
Let's get started with this tutorial. The first step to creating a great video is to get a high-quality AI voiceover. To achieve this, we will be using the free text-to-speech TTS services provided by freetts.com. Once you land on the website, select the free plan and navigate to the TTS section. There, you will find the speech synthesis option. Choose a voice that you prefer and paste your script into the provided field. Then, click on the Convert button. The beauty of the free trial account is that you are given credits for each account, which you can use to generate multiple voiceovers if needed. Once you are pleased with the result, you can proceed to download the 3 file. Moving on to step 2. It is time to create the video. To accomplish this, we will be using d-ed.com, which also offers a free trial. Simply log in with your Google account and select the free trial option. From there, you can proceed to create a video and select a preset avatar or upload your own photo. On the right-hand side of the page, you will see the voiceover generation tool. You can choose to use this or upload your recorded script. In our case, we will upload the script because we prefer the flow of their voiceovers. After uploading the picture and script, click on the Generate Video button. That's it, you now have a video ready to share.
Hello. I am a robot designed to assist you with your tasks and answer your questions. My programming allows me to quickly process information and provide helpful responses. Please let me know how I can be of assistance.